The Histria fortress is the first Greek colony on the west shore of the Black Sea. Founded during the 7th century BC, Histria developed both during the Greek and the Roman domination. The end of Histria as an urban centre is around the 7th century AD. Thus, the history of the fortress ends after 13 centuries of existence. It was not covered up by medieval or modern occupation. The History Museum complex, located just in front of the fortress, hosts some of the most important discoveries in Histria.